Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete TikTok messages from both sides. So in order to do that, firstly make sure that your TikTok is up to date. If not, then go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update your TikTok. After that, simply sign into your account and tap on the message option available in the bottom right corner. So here, let's text anybody. So let me text this person. So I'm typing down, hey. So now I want to delete this. Now what we need to do is simply tap on the message for the long time. Then you'll see the delete icon available there. Tap on the delete and two options will be available, delete for everyone and delete for me. And if you want to delete for both sides, then tap on the delete for everyone. And if you want to delete for only you, then tap on the delete for me. After that, simply slide the message and you'll get to see the delete option available again. Tap on the delete and the message will be deleted from the both sides. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.